The 2015 4500. Dodge Ram 5500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 player, passenger airbag, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, variable speed, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, engine immobilizer, rear wheel drive, split bench seat, steel wheels. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.